Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a very simple ninja turtle mask. You can download my pattern from this post, it's free. All you need is 2 pieces of green felt for the mask, 2 pieces of the color of your choice, whether it's for Leonardo or Raphael and so on. I picked blue for Leonardo for the side tie, and an eye mask piece. Also a elastic to attach to the mask, and it can be -3/8 of an inch, but you can even use a 1/4 of an inch, it will be just fine. The length I'm using for an adult mask is 17 inches long. Alright, let's get going. Our first step is to stitch together the 2 pieces of the side tie. You don't have to stitch this part since it will go inside the mask. Top stitch the 2 pieces together. I will make sure to align it correctly with the eye mask, but I won't be stitching the eye mask piece just yet. First we'll attach the green pieces together. Okay, now that my green part is stitched together with the elastic and the side tie, all we have to do is switch to a blue thread again and top stitch our eye mask piece. And my mask is done. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe. Next I will work on a belt for the Ninja Turtle costume. Thanks!